Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste images from Google. So, for example, if you work daily or handle projects regularly on Canva, you might be looking for a more efficient method. Now, you can simply copy and paste images from Google. So, if you are working on multiple projects and need to download a lot of images from Google, Pinterest, and other platforms to be more efficient, you just need to go to Google Images. For example, this is an image I want to add to my Canva page. So I just copy the image and simply paste it. This way you can save time and also become more efficient with this process. And you don't have to download it from Google and then upload it to Canva again. This will help you save a lot of time. So yeah, that was a simple process for copying and pasting images from Google to Canva. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.